I've gone ahead to cut my center front and I've cut it on a fold. Next, I'm going to be cutting the front side and I'll cut 2 of this. Next, I've cut out the back piece and I'll cut 2 of this. Next, we're going to be joining the sides to the center front piece. This is what it'll look like after attaching. Next, I'm just going to be adding my 2 back pieces to the side of the front piece. After attaching the front piece to the back piece, this is what it will look like. I'm just going to give this a quick iron and then I'll attach my bias tape to the top of this dress. Moving on to creating our box pleats, you want to make sure you're doing this on the right side of the fabric. We're going to start off by marking 1 inch, and that 1 inch is going to serve as our zip allowance. Now from that mark, we're going to take 5 inches, and that 5 inches is our first box pleat. Now from that mark, we're going to take another 5 inches, and you're just going to do this for the rest of the fabric. Taking these markings on the top and bottom part of the fabric because I want my pleats to be aesthetically pleasing. Now we're creating the pleats. So the second marking, you're going to move it to the first point, just like this. And this next marking, you're going to make it touch the next one, just like this. So you want to do this throughout the rest of the fabric. I've gone ahead to iron the top part of this dress, and I've also attached my bias. I've pleated and ironed the rest of the fabric, and I also pinned it down for easy sewing. Attach the top part of this dress to the pleats, and I'm going to be doing this right sides facing each other. When sewing, you want to make sure you're taking your time to do this, and also arrange your pleats and make sure that they touch each other. This is what it should look like when you're done. For the final step of this dress, you want to attach your zipper to the back piece. I'm going to be using an invincible zipper. I'm also going to go ahead and hem the bottom of my dress. I'm going to be using about 2 inches. Okay, and after that is done, this is what your dress should come out looking like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.